Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Day before yesterday we had a class, no? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Revised last day's portion.
Not that much. Some.
Who said not that much? Huh? Who said that? Nabil. Okay, then I'll start from Nabil. No, I am here to help you, no child. No punishment I used to give. I'll just make you say the answer. We'll start, Nabil. Okay, Nabil will tell me about what we learned. What was the topic in our previous class, Nabil? Tell me the topic.
That name I know. That top.
Nabil, I
Yes,
didn't
ma'am.
ask you. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't ask you any lengthy question. Just tell me the topic on which we had a discussion in our previous class.
Plants that.
Wait, Fisan. About
The
plants?
About
Some
plant.
important issue of a plant.
Yes, that name I know that.
You want a clue?
Yes.
Starts with E.
E.
Second letter P.
That name I don't know, ma'am.
Then what did you learn?
Make the plant stronger.
No. But I want the topic. If you don't remember the topic, how can you remember the content, Nabil? Navaneet, help him, no?
Epidermis.
Epidermis. Excellent, Navaneet. Nabil, what is that?
Epidermis.
Epidermis. How can you forget? Okay. Fizan, tell me one point about epidermis.
Epidermis is found in the outermost of the cell, outermost
Layer of cells.
and there are found single layer
Very
of.
good. Wonderful. So much enthusiasm. See, that is to be noted. Special mention to his enthusiasm. Even if he gets late for 5 minutes, he's so curious to join biology class. I get motivated, Fisan. Thank you.
Yeah.
Rachel, another point.
Ma'am, it has continuous layers without forming intercellular spaces.
All are wonderfully answering. Rachel Bobbin wants to say the next point.
Ma'am, the outermost and innermost walls are thicker than the inner walls.
But once again, you say the sentence. Did you make any mistake in that? The outer and
Side walls.
That's it. Excellent, Rachel. I'm happy to see that day by day you are getting improved. Who's going to tell the next point? Who's going to tell the next point?
They are relatively flat.
Yes, they are relatively flat. Okay, excellent. Then, who else? Aaron, power went over there. Aaron Jose, power cut is there?
No, ma'am.
Then why you are in dark? You want me to guess your face? Aaron, let me see your face. No? Switch on the light. Turn on the light in your room. I'll come back to you. Okay. Maria, can you tell me another point, Maria? Can't hear. Is it the problem with the mic? Sorry, Maria, I cannot hear you. Lena, check with that. You will get a chance later.
The epidermis may be thicker in some plants in very dry habitat to provide protection against the plants.
Yes, wonderful. And I want you to tell the name of that layer which covers the epidermis. Which is that layer? Navaneet, which is that layer, Navaneet? Covering the epidermis. You need clue? You want clue? C, starts with C.
Cutin.
Cutin, it is made up of cutin. Lena, good. She messaged with the answer. It is made up of cutin and you call it as cuticle. 3 functions of cuticle we learned. Isha, tell me one function of cuticle. One function of cuticle. Aaron, light is not turned on. Yes, Isha,
Yes,
one
function.
Switch on the light.
On, ma'am.
You are not facing the light?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know. Next class onwards, you have to change your location. I can't see you. Just a shadow like I can see. I am focusing more on the window in that picture because your face only little bit and I cannot make out whether it is Aaron or someone else. Only from the voice I can make out. Whom I was asking the question? Yes, Isha, 1 point. One function of cuticle.
Desert plants cuticles thick to prevent loss of water.
Good. Then, 2 more points are remaining. Eva? Eva, second point.
Ma'am,
Last class there was some problem with her connectivity, no? Eva, tell me the second point, Eva.
ma'am, root help.
You are Eva. Pisan, you will get a chance later. Eva, unmute. Any difficulty? Message me. Eva, you message. Then Rohan Raj, give me another function. Water loss, it can prevent water loss, it was told. Now 2 more points are there of this cuticle. Rohan, you saw your friends were responding very actively. Rohan, Raj and Eva, what is the problem? Let me get your message now. Rohan, tell me. Don't waste time. Functions of cuticle layer. 3 functions of cuticle layer we learned in last class. 1 point is it provides protection from water loss. Isha told that point. Now 2 more points are remaining. Which are those 2 points? Alicia, can you tell me 1 point, Alicia? Alicia?
Ma'am,
Rachel, you say it loudly. Rachel has sent me a message. Rachel, tell it loudly.
Ma'am, it prevents mechanical
It
injury.
prevents mechanical injury. Wonderful. Then 1 more point is remaining.
ma'am,
Who can tell that?
in desert plants, the
Desert plants, that point is told. 1 more point. Water loss, it prevents water loss, it prevents mechanical injury. 1 more point. Yes, Lena can say it loudly.
innovation of parasitic fungi.
It prevents the attack by parasitic fungi. Rohan and Eva George, please message me what is the difficulty you're facing. So when I'm asking question, you're unable to respond, let me know what is the difficulty, okay? I'll come back. Yes?
The voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking.
Yeah, when sometimes.
For others, is my voice breaking?
No, ma'am.
Oh, maybe Eva, you have some connectivity issues, but definitely Eva and Rohan Raj will get a question once I finish today's topic. Okay, let us continue. Okay, now about epidermis itself, we are going to learn a few more points. Scattered on the epidermis of the leaf, you can find small pores. What do you call those pores? Stomata. Maybe in your 7th standard, you might have learned about stomata. And what you see here in the picture is a microscopic view, an enlarged view, a magnified view of stomata. See, you can see small openings. If you just take a leaf and observe it through the naked eyes, you will not see any opening. But when you observe it under a microscope or a magnifying device, you can find small pores scattered on the surface of the leaf. To be specific, they'll be present in between the epidermis or the cells of the epidermis. You can find which one? Stomata. Okay, and let us see more about stomata. Stomata, they are enclosed by 2 kidney-shaped or bean-shaped cells. See, this opening is known as, see where I have marked across, that opening is known as stomata, and this opening is guarded by 2 kidney-shaped. Kidneys, you know, our excretory organs. It looks like kidney or it is like a beans. These two are known as, or these two cells, we call them as guard cells. The name suggests that they guard this opening. So it is these guard cells which will control the opening and closing of stomata. The guard cells can make the stomatal pore open, and here you can see the stomata is closed. Stoma means singular term for stomata. Stomata is plural, stoma is singular. So here you can see it in open state. In the first figure you can see stoma is opened. In the second case, the guard cells have closed it. Okay, here it is closed, here it is opened. Okay, children. So what are stomata?
And second picture is called nucleus.
Nucleus. So you can see a nucleus over there.
Yes.
This one. This is the nucleus. You can see in the figure. Here I did not mention about it because we are focusing only on the stomata. Okay, this one is nucleus, chloroplast, vacuole, cell wall. All the other points are mentioned. But now what we are focusing is on only on the guard cells and the stomatal opening. Okay, stomata, they are enclosed by two kidney-shaped cells known as guard cells. What are stomata? Stomata are minute pores present on the epidermis of the leaf, and they are enclosed by two kidney-shaped cells. You call them as guard cells. And what is the function of stomata? Stomata helps the plant to exchange gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, oxygen. All these gases are exchanged with the help of these stomata. Okay, so once again we will see all the points. Once again we will revise the points, and after that, those whose names I mentioned, they'll get the first chance to answer it. Okay, Eva, Rohan Raj, and I'll be ready with the answers. What are stomata? Stomata, they are minute pores, small openings present on the epidermis of the leaf. Now, who control the opening and closing of stomata? Guard cells. How do they look like? They are kidney shaped. What is the main function of stomata? It helps in the exchange of gases. Which are the gases that are exchanged through stomata? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, just like us, carbon dioxide and oxygen, and also water vapor. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Only Nabil is saying. Anyways, let's
Ma'am.
see. Okay. Eva, ready? Eva George? Eva, ready? Okay. Tell me what are stomata, Eva.
The minute pores present on the epidermical arc
Epidermis.
of
Epidermis of the leaf are known as.
stomata.
Okay. Now, these stomata, they are guarded by, or their opening and closing is regulated by a pair of cells. What are those cells, Rohan? Rohan Raj? Rohan Raj. Rohan Raj? Huh? Kidney shaped. What do you call them?
So, guard cell.
Now, without referring anywhere, tell me, face me and tell. What are those cells? Controlling
Guard
the.
cells.
How do they look like?
Kidney.
Kidney shape. Rohan, you were responding very nicely in our previous classes. So last 1 or 2 classes, I don't know, some changes there. What happened? Huh? Am I making you bored? Then I want you to be more involved. Okay. And Mohammed Nihal, tell me the function of stomata, dear. Nice curtain. Your ambience in your house I liked. Okay. Purple color, violet color, whatever it is. Looking nice. Your dress is also matching to the surroundings. Okay. Soothing for the eyes when I look at your screen. Okay. Tell me, Nihal, what is the function of stomata?
They are necessary for
Correct? For what? What has to be done through that? Exchange of
Yes.
gases. Repeat it without looking anywhere. They are necessary for?
exchanging of gas.
Good. Okay. So we finished it. And Agna, are you playing with the, what to say, video presentation, black and white sometimes some other color? So concentrate here. I am noticing everything. Okay. I saw you in black and white. Suddenly the color changed. That we can try out later. You call me, I'll come and tell you which is the best one later after class. But during class time, I want you to listen here. Agreed, Agna? Show me a thumbs up if you agreed. Yes. Next question is for you. Let us complete. Okay. Transpiration. So the next topic is transpiration. Now let's see what is meant by transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of water in the form of water vapor. And from where they are losing? From the surface of leaves. And transpiration is also taking place through stomata. It is through stomata that this transpiration happens. Transpiration is the loss of water in the form of water vapor from the surface of leaves. Very important definition. In 10th standard also you will learn the same thing. 9th also you will have to learn. 11th also you are going to learn the same thing. So it's very important topic, transpiration. Here you are learning very briefly. Okay, no, not any details you need to know. Transpiration is the loss of water in the form of water vapor from the surface of leaves, and it is also taking place through stomata. You can see in the picture from the surface of the leaves, water is getting evaporated. Hope you are seeing the figure given in circle. See this one. Water, because of the heat of the sun, it is just vaporizing and going through these stomata as water vapor. So water will be entering the leaves through the stem and the other parts, and once it reaches the leaves, this can get escaped from the surface of the leaves. So what is transpiration? It's the loss of water in the form of water vapor. So whenever a definition is given, if you find it difficult to learn, if it's quite lengthy, what you can do is break it into small parts. Loss of water, then in the form of water vapor from the surface of leaves. You break it into 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. It's a loss of water in the form of water vapor from the surface of leaves. Okay. Now, transpiration. Now, why it is necessary to have transpiration? It will help in conducting water and minerals. Conducting means to transport, to carry from one part to the other. So, it is because of the transpiration. See, I have drawn a line. Red line in the figure from the roots. Roots will absorb it from the soil, and from there it will be taken to all parts of the plant. And since transpiration, more and more transpiration takes place, more and more water will be absorbed from the soil. So first function is it will help in transporting water and minerals to different parts of the plants. Second function, it will regulate the temperature. It will help in regulating the temperature. So we also perform this mechanism by a different name. You sweat, isn't it, children? When it is very hot outside, you will sweat. When you are sweating, the water is getting evaporated from your body. You see, when you sit under the fan, when you are feeling very hot, and when you are sweating, you can see the sweat will slowly evaporate. And once that is your own body's mechanism to keep you cool when the surrounding temperature is high. That is why we sweat. Sweating will make you cool and helps you to maintain the normal body temperature. So when plants also carry out transpiration, it helps to cool the plant and helps to maintain their temperature. So it helps in regulating the temperature of plant body. You can compare it to transpiration in plants to sweating in human beings, because when water is evaporated from your body, it will help in cooling your body and maintaining your temperature. Same goes with the case of transpiration also. So once again, so in this slide we learned 3 points: definition for transpiration and 2 functions of transpiration we learned. The definition for transpiration is, it's a loss of water in the form of water vapor from the surface of leaves. From the surface of leaves means, to be specific, it is taking place through stomata. And why it is necessary? What are the functions? The first function is that the transpiration will help in transporting water and minerals to different parts of the plant. That is the first function. Function number 2, it will regulate the temperature of the plant body. So we learned about transpiration and its 2 functions. Aaron, the boy in the dark, tell me. Aaron, what is transpiration, dear? Next day, I don't want to see you like this. Find out a proper place in your house where I can see you clearly. Yes, Aaron, tell me.
Loss of water
In the
in
form
the
of,
form of water vapor
from
the plant,
which part of the plant?
surface of the leaves.
Now all these 3 points you say together. You can, definitely you can do. Say.
Transpiration is the loss of water
Hmm.
in the form of water vapor
From
the surface of the leaves.
That's it. You can say, okay, good. Now, why it is necessary to have transpiration? Delvin, you joined late, but were you able to hear, Delvin?
Can I say?
Who is saying? Wait, let
Ma'am, I
me ask.
joined early, but net that way cut and
But you could hear it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why cap in the class?
Yeah, think.
Huh? You think that will add style? That's why?
No, ma'am.
When you are in the class, better you avoid it. Okay, now tell me. Today I am giving you the excuse, no problem. But next class onwards, avoid the cap. Yes, Delvin, tell me. Function of transpiration. If you don't say, Fizan is waiting to tell the answer.
Ma'am, that I didn't hear. I heard only last.
Then tell the last one. What did you hear? You tell me that. You heard something, no? Tell me. I saw you joined late in between. Your net problems were there, but still, what you heard, you can tell me. You want help? Do you want help? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Pisan, will you help him?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Only 1 point you should say. Okay. Don't tell all the points. Just tell 1 point. And I want, who was that? Delvin to listen carefully and repeat. Yes, Pisan. Pisan is sit little energetically. So much of energy is there, I know. But sitting posture also should be better. Yes, Pisan.
Ma'am, it helps to transport minerals and water from
To different?
different parts of the plant.
Yes, wonderful. Yes, Delvin, you heard what he said?
One more time, can you say?
I will tell. I don't want to trouble him again. It will help in transporting water and minerals to all parts of the plant. Now you heard?
Yes, ma'am.
Delvin? Yes, repeat.
It will help to transport minerals and water in all the
To?
plants.
Okay.
All
It
the-
means what, child? What is that it? What was my question? What was my question? Wait. Others need not say. What was my question, Delvin?
Transport.
It means transpiration. Good. Noble, are you there? Noble Anil.
Yes, ma'am.
Second function, child. Second function of transpiration. You heard? You heard my question? Noble, whether it is yes or no, you should respond.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, what is the second function? It helps in? Agna will tell, you can listen. Agna, what is the second function, Agna?
Transpiration helps in the conduction of water and minerals.
That point is told. Second point, child. Second point I want.
Ma'am,
Wait,
also
wait, others, wait. Yes, Agna?
It also regulates the temperature of the plant
Oh,
body.
excellent, excellent, Agna. You didn't read, no? Did you read from somewhere?
No, ma'am, you are not.
Okay, good, good. Noble, repeat it. Noble,
It's regulate.
Noble.
Ma'am,
You
one
are
more
late.
time.
Okay, I will say, you need to repeat it. Okay?
Transpiration.
Transpiration helps in regulating the temperature of the plants. Transpiration helps in regulating the temperature of plants. Will you repeat, Noble?
Transpiration
Ah,
in regulating temperature.
Temperature of, I gave the example of human beings
water.
sweating and keeping the body cool. So just like that,
Yes, ma'am, water.
plants. Noble, once again that answer and then
Water.
we'll wind up. Once again. Transpiration regulates.
Transpiration regulate
Ah,
temperature.
ah,
Translate temperature
Ah.
from the body.
temperature of what? Plants. It will
Water.
regulate
Water.
water absorption.
Plants.
You're mixing up everything. It will regulate the temperature of plants. Noble, without saying, I will not leave you. Tell me once again. Wait. Let him say. Noble, transpiration
Ma'am, it
regulates the
regulates-
temperature of plants. Repeat it and then we'll wind up.
Transpiration regulates temperature from plants.
Not from plants, of plants. Anyways, but be more attentive, Noble.
plants.
Ma'am,
Thank you, Yes, Rachel.
ma'am,
Ah.
ma'am, Chris Jo cannot enter because of the network problem.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, children. See you
Thank
next
you,
class.
ma'am.